If you want to create cinematic wallpaper on Google Pixel 9a, what you need to do is first of all go to the settings, choose wallpaper and style, and then over here you should be able to, for example, go to more wallpapers unless you actually used a photo as a wallpaper already. But in general, the idea is that you want to go to my photos and pick a photo that you wish to set as the wallpaper. And then you should be able to find this button with these 3 stars, so you can tap over here, and here we can create cinematic wallpaper. It takes a couple of seconds in order to generate the 3D and motion effect, but now as you can see it is done. So we can, for example, tap on the home screen and have a preview how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. These effects are of course generated by AI. We can press this check in order to save it, and now we can press set wallpaper in the top right corner. We can choose to set the wallpaper for the lock screen, home screen, or both, and then press set. And there we go, here is our wallpaper. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!